Hello and welcome to TechTube. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can sign up on DeepSeek. So let's go ahead and start the video. First of all, what you need to do is open deepseek.com. After you do that, you can see this type of interface. Go ahead and tap on Start Now and you will be headed to the login portal. To sign up, you can see the sign up option. If you already have an account, just go ahead and put in your login credentials and hit login. Or if you don't have an account, hit the sign up icon. What you need to do is, first of all, write down your email address on the first box. After you have done, you can just go to the second box, write down your password, and do the same on the third box as well. Make sure the password matches with each other. Go ahead and check your password once by clicking on this eye icon. Go ahead and tap on Send Code and you will be receiving an email from DeepSeek. Go ahead and copy the code, paste it here, and click on this box over here. After that, click on Sign Up. And this way, you can easily sign up on DeepSeek. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more.